If you're wondering about what tools are used to do a shotcrete installation, stick around. We're going to talk about all that. Hi, my name is JC Escudero. I am the CEO of J Designs, and today we're going to talk about all the tools that are required to do a shotcrete installation. Here's the first one, and this is just a classical trowel. It's a little bit a longer trowel, and this is used to just smoothen the areas and the surface, or also cut. You need to cut the corners or certain areas, might be intricate, and some hide the spot. Another tool that we use is a soft rod. So this is just really to clean the walls, and it makes a perfect cut, just like if you were shaving a cake. So this tool has a small side that is up, and this is to remove the concrete as you're cutting it, and you can use it any way around. Another tool that is very, very important and a lot of people miss, especially on a rectangle pool, is this. Obviously, angles and levels are especially required. Lines are pulled, or what we call them screed lines, before the actual installation, so people can follow the line and cut the concrete at certain thickness or elevation. And last, one of the most traditional tools is the classic Fresno. So this is also used, and you can tilt it to cut the walls or the coves, which is the part that circles the pool, or the transition from the wall to the floor. So this is used to do all that, and that's why this tool is flat. And there's also curved ones. All these tools come in different sizes, and these are the basic tools to do a shotcrete installation. Now that you know the basic tools for a shotcrete installation, make sure you ask your contractor if there's any other tools that are specific to your project that may be required. Check out our Learning Center to learn more about swimming pool building. When you're ready to build the pool of your dreams, go to our website and book your appointment. Thanks for watching.